In this video, we're going to see a Janitor AI review. Janitor AI is a versatile AI-powered chatbot platform that enables users to create and interact with customizable virtual characters. It supports various applications from entertainment and roleplay to customer service and data processing. Users can design bots with distinct personalities and integrate them into websites, apps, or other digital platforms. It has customizable AI characters. You can create bots with unique personalities, appearances, and conversational styles. Connect with external services and models like OpenAI or Kobold AI for enhanced functionality. It has a user-friendly design that allows users for easy bot creation without programming knowledge, and you can engage in more human-like and emotionally responsive interactions. It has a versatile platform, it's user-friendly, it has a large community support, and it's cost-effective, but initial setup, especially API configurations, can be challenging for some users. Also, some bots may contain not safe for work content which might not be suitable for our audience, and occasional downtime or bugs reported due to high user demand. So Janitor AI stands out as a flexible, user-friendly platform for creating AI-driven chatbots tailored to various needs. Its combination of customization, integration capabilities, and a supportive community makes it a valuable tool for both casual users and professionals. However, newcomers should be prepared for a slight learning curve during the initial setup. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.